Need to boost your business credit score quickly and effectively? You're in the right place. We know how stressful it can be when you need funding, a better loan, or to build credibility with vendors. Let's break down how to level up your business credit quickly and efficiently. First, know where you stand. Pull your business credit reports from the big players like Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. Look for errors like wrong addresses, outdated info, or accounts that aren't yours. Dispute those immediately, since mistakes can drag down your score. Pay your bills early, not just on time. Payment history is huge, and paying even just a few days early can boost your score. If cash flow is tight, prioritize accounts that report to bureaus. Increase your credit limits where possible. Ask creditors for a limit boost, but don't increase your spending. This will lower your credit utilization ratio. If few accounts report, open a few trade lines. Start with vendors who report, such as Uline, Grainger, and Quill. Paying them in full can help boost your score. It's also important that you separate personal and business credit when opening accounts. And lastly, monitor your business credit regularly. Set monthly reminders to catch issues early. Quick recap: check reports for errors, pay early, increase credit limits, add vendor accounts, and monitor your score. Small changes add up. And within a few reporting cycles, you can see real progress. Take action today and set your business up for a stronger financial future. Thanks for watching. Now go boost that score.